In this video, we will talk about sending email notification on submitting the form. So visitor visits your website. Let us say you have any kind of form. It may be a contact form, booking form, registration form, or any kind of form. He fills and submit the form. Email notification will be triggered by the system, and the email will be sent to the customer and it will send to the admin. So we will have two emails. First email will be sent to the customer. The second email will be sent to the admin. So is it actually important to send email notification? Yes, it's very important to send email notification. So what's the importance of sending email notification? Benefits of sending confirmation email to the customers. So why you should send an email to the customers is because it gives them the submission acknowledgement. It confirms that the form was successfully received by your organization. It shows the business is organized and responsive. If it's an order, you in the confirmation email you can have a order ID. If it's a ticket, you can have a ticket ID, or any kind of submission summary or any kind of reference number. You can have it in the email notification that is sent to the customers. It reduces uncertainty whether the form went through or didn't went through. Customers can refer back to the submitted information. It's makes sure follow-ups are easier and cleaner. It makes the process feel complete and professional. So this is why you should send an email to the customers. Next, why you should send an email to the admin. So let us say you are the admin of the form or you have created the form. Why you should receive an email? So you should receive because of instant submission alert. You will get an instant alert that this and form has been submitted. Faster response time. So when you get an email, you can easily respond it much more faster, prevent mislead details, improve workflow efficiency, centralize information, supports order processing. So if it's an order form or if it's a ticket form or any kind of form, then in that case processing order will be much more easier because you will receive an instant notification that this and this product has been ordered. Better tracking and documentation. It makes the process of documentation and tracking very much easier. So this is why you should send an email to the customers and send an email to the admin. Let us check how you can send email in the Google Forms. So here I have created a Google form called as contact information. So let me first tell that Google does not have an inbuilt feature to send a confirmation email. So for that we have to use an add-on. Simply click on this and click on get add-on and search for email notification add-on here. Email notification for Google Forms. So we have many different options here. First one is email notification for Google Forms, Form Notify, Form Mailer. So a lot of different options related to this, but one of the most popular among them is email notification for forms. This is the most popular. So we can click on install, click on continue here, and it will do some processing. It will ask us for some of the access. Let us click on continue once again. Click on continue here once again. It will take you a few seconds to install and next click on done. So our this add-on is completely set up. Next we can use this add-on to send an email notifications to our customers. So it is opening the panel where we can set what emails will be sent to the customers. So here we have a video tutorial. We can click on create. So they have what options for email notifications, Slack, Discord, Google Chat, SMS, webhook, and push notifications. Click on create. Let us say we want to send an email notification. Next, we have to fill out all these details here. Message, notification name, a brief description of notification which appears in the list of notifications. Sender name, sender email address. You can choose the email address from here. Reply to email address. Fill any of the reply to email address. Next, in the email subject, you can use these dynamic tags here, dynamic tags, and next you can have the email subject, email body. So all these things you can fill up and click on continue, and this is how you can set up the email notification here. So this is the message. Next, we have to click on recipient. Sender name, reply to nick at the rate formnx.com. Click on continue. Then we have to fill out all the recipients here. Specify one or more email addresses that your notifications are sent to. Then here we have to two recipient. We have to fill out all the recipients. Notify form responder. So this is how we can notify the responder. That is what we discussed here. That is email to the customer. So whenever someone fills the form, he or she is the responder. We have to select which field is our email field. We will select this one as the email field. We can add some conditional notifications here. Let us enable these conditional notifications. Inside these conditional notifications, we can set something like whenever the email address is this or whenever the name is this, we can add some conditions. Then only the email will get triggered. Next, we can also have the PDF here. PDF is we have option to generate the PDF, or we can also have a static Google Drive PDF link attached here. So this is how you can set up this form notification plugin by Digital Inspiration. Next, let us check the pricing of this one. This is by Digital Inspiration. So if you check here, the free edition, the free edition allows you to send 20 emails per day. Standard edition allows you to send 400 emails per day. The enterprise edition allows you to send 1500 emails per day. And also it requires you to have a Google Workspace account. Google Workspace account are basically a paid account which is done for your organization or maybe for your website. So the enterprise edition used and requires this Google Workspace account. It number of form notifications. So number of form notification. With this free edition, you can only have this add-on inside single notification. This you can use to create up to 5 notifications per form. So the standard edition allows you to only have 5 notifications per form, and this one you can create unlimited notifications per form. So these are pricing per form. So whenever you install this add-on, it will be the pricing per form. Okay. You can have CC, BCC based on all these plans. You can have send multiple emails per Google Form submissions. So all these different plans details are mentioned here. You can see the standard one have these few features. All these advanced features are not present inside the standard plan. To have this advanced feature, you need this enterprise edition. And along with this enterprise edition, you will require to have Google Workspace account. That is a paid account of Google Workspace. So first you have to pay for this plugin, then again you have to pay for Google Workspace account. So these are the two payments you have to do. Let us check the payment of this one. Enterprise upgrade. Select the country as United States here. Let me check for personal license. So personal license is for one for your own use or for your co-worker. Team license is up to for 10 users, and this site license is for a company or maybe for a entire organization. Let us check the personal license. It's $79.79 per year. Team license, we have to select like this personal license is just for one user. This team license is like you can select how many people you need this team license for, and based on that it will show you the plan. Let us say we want for two users, then it's $159 per year. Again, apart from paying for this plugin, you have to pay for Google Workspace. So these are the two charges you have to pay for. The second problem with this is, let us say you want to have this Google Form notification. Along with that, you need some more plugins. Let us say you want to have a signature plugin or XYZ, any kind of plugins, then you have to pay for all of those plugins and you have to check if that plugin will have a compatibility with this Google Form notifications plugin or not. So these are the two disadvantages of using this Google Form notifications. Instead, I will recommend you to use FormNX. FormNX is a drag and drop form builder. which has all these features inbuilt. So you don't have to pay separate pricing for all these plugins. You don't have to check if plugins are compatible with each others or not. You can do everything inside this form builder formnx.com. Let us say I want to set up this email notification. Simply go to the settings here, click on email. Simply enable this toggle button and the email will be sent to your customers or email will be sent to you. You can have a dynamic tags of all these emails. You can use any of this information from your form to include inside the email, or we have a all form fields. With this, all the fields will be included. So this template, the subject body is completely dynamic, which you can change based on your requirement. You can also make use of AI to create this subject and body for your emails. Not only this, it also provides a lot of different features like conditional logic, thank you page, scheduling, submission reference number generation, which is very useful when you are creating a form for a order form or maybe for a ticket generation form. This submission reference number is very helpful in that case. You can have quiz mode, PDF, right? So a lot of different options are present inside this form annex, and 99% of the features are completely free. Let me show you the pricing of form annex. So all these features are completely free: unlimited number of forms, unlimited submissions, unlimited number of form fields, access all templates, logic, submission emails, spam protection, automatic reference number. So a lot of different features, 30 days money back guarantee. This is our pricing of FormNX. You ever have unlimited number of forms, unlimited submissions, one workspace, one user per workspace, and this is the paid plan, which is only $15 per month, or which is $144 per year. So you don't have to pay separate for form notification, separately for signature plugin, separately for XYZ or any of the other plugins. All these features are completely included here. We have AI-based builder, partial submissions, PDF, weekly report. A lot of different features are present inside FormNX, and we do a regular improvement here. So I hope you find this video very helpful. And if you want form notifications, Google Form notifications, either you can use this plugin or you can try FormNX. And if you have any further questions, please feel free to comment below or contact our support. Thank you.